How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 10th sales update. I'm going to do a quick video here. As I promised, I was going to start doing these daily updates. Some people have been asking, even if it's for a minute or two. But I like to go over some more details than just the numbers. For example, to say there were 9 sales in the U.S. market. We'll look at some of that stuff, but I guess that is the point of the video. So as you can see, 9 sales today, which is not a bad day, and I've seen a consistent increase in I guess daily sales, where a month or two ago my average number of daily sales would be closer to 5. Now we're doubling that. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, I'm considering March to be my first full month at tier 20,000. So there are definitely way more products that are available for sale. And as you can see here, this number will probably go up during the video because I have another laptop set up right beside me, and our Merch Titans automation tool is actually uploading products as I'm recording this. So total number of sales today, 10, which is pretty much where the entire week has been. There's still a couple hours left in the day, but I'm assuming if there are any more sales, it would be 1 or 2. So let's look at some of the products that are selling. For example, it's 9 sales, and what I want to look at is this 9 unique products. So there isn't, for example, one item where I'm getting 3 or 6 sales. These are all ones. So I'm banging out 1 sale per item throughout the day. And when you look at, for example, yesterday, same thing. There isn't one product that's just completely killing it. It's pretty much all the products that I have, and they're randomly selling. And over the last couple of days, what I've noticed is products that I listed, let's say 2 years ago. Those products that you put up for sale, it gets you 1 sale maybe a month, and then, for example, I didn't see any sales for months, maybe even a year, and then all of a sudden, for whatever reason, they started selling. And that's actually what's been happening with me. So I'm noticing a lot more products are selling that haven't sold in a while. And again, I don't know what Amazon's doing behind the scenes. It's number 1, interesting, and then number 2, I definitely won't complain. So that's one of the things that I've noticed. Let's look at the last 7 days. So last 7 days, 69, and this is just the US market. And then this month, so it's the 10th, 83 sales in total. And then if we go over here and look at the overall sales across all the markets, as you can see here, 89 sales. And so that would be total of just over $1,500 in sales and about $300 in royalties in 10 days. So not too bad. Let me see if there's anything else to look at. The only thing that I'll quickly show you guys is that I'm hovering around halfway through the total sales of February, which was last month, and we're only 10 days into the month. So if it keeps going the way it has been last 7 or 10 days, this month should beat the previous month, and then we'll see how far on top of that I get. Anyways, I'm going to keep this very short. The last thing I will mention is I still, according to the rules, would not have been tiered up to 10,000. So the tier 20,000 surprise is amazing, and I'm super happy about it. Anyways, as always, thanks guys for watching. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below.